Okay.
Come on.
Open it.
Boss baby.
Need some help.
RC unboxing.
It's hard. Okay.
Hold that apart.
Boss baby's own RC.
Honey, don't put in Facebook.
We need a knife.
Chris gonna record and put it in YouTube, Mom.
Oh, okay.
You what?
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. See the.
Isaac, what do you got? What do you got, boss baby?
Oh, Grandpa had a knife. There you go.
Two.
Says do.
Number
Two?
one. No.
Number one. Who's number one? Grandma? Is Grandma number one? Jeez, Dad. Papa.
Okay,
There we go.
Daddy should have brought a knife out.
I usually carry one in my pocket, but
I
it's
know.
not
Did you not find it?
there. No, it's in my other pants.
Big
What
car.
you got?
It's that tent skill.
Is this like part of the... Oops. Oh, jeez.
Nice
Yeah.
job. Hey, Grandpa, nice job.
Nice job.
Grandpa, nice job.
that funny or what? Well, pull it
Okay,
out.
well we can't. It's tied or
Oh, it's
something.
tied in.
Can we pull this whole slight piece out?
How many
Here?
adults does it take to unbox an RC car?
1,000.
We need to.
Yay!
Oh,
Sweet. Sweet. Look at that. We'll turn it around.
Oh, he's got to open it.
Grandma, turn around. I think she turn around, Grandma.
Okay, there you
Around.
go. There's your new toy.
is it still attached?
Yeah,
Yeah.
everything is.
Need a wire cut.
Yeah.
Should just
Turn the box.
flip it over on the bottom. There should be a little.
I don't know where. Say brum 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 brum.
We'll get it.
Oh, here, right here's got a plastic.
Are you ripping it? All right. You got it. You got a hold of it.
Get it.
Grandma got the charger.
He's ripping it.
Yeah, okay, Chris.
They got so much tape on this thing.
It's not as easy to unbox as the hobby grade ones, huh, boy?
Yes,
Mommy,
Grandma.
Mommy's video.
You have
There.
to Grandma,
Can we
Grandpa.
get it out?
Now,
Oh,
there
Oh,
you go.
oh,
What you got?
oh,
All
look,
right.
Isaac.
you want the remote?
Yeah, he wants a remote. Just give me the remote, Grandma.
He's like, I know this is the what makes it go.
What the heck?
Well, they sure know how to tape it up. That's
Jeez. I don't want to break it. It's pretty soft on the on that meshy part.
I think they just spin, right?
The
Those clips. Oh, up there.
oh yeah, they clip all right. They
batteries.
yeah, are they?
It
how do you
comes
get
with
them off?
everything.
Do they unscrew, Chris?
Yeah, just twist them.
Just unscrew them.
Twist and pull. Twist and pull.
Twist and pull.
Yeah, twist and pull.
We should
They're like
let
quarter
Daddy
turn
do this,
locks.
huh, Isaac? I can't get mine off. Hey, look at those. Well, Grandma's trying to. I can't get mine.
You try to have Grandma's
I
get out?
got one.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to get off here. These. He goes, oh, I got the remote. It's not that easy, is it?
Daddy gotta
I
help?
don't think they want. That's why it says for 8 and up, Chris, because he's not 8. And we're well over our 50s, and we can't get into it.
That's the way they.
Okay, buddy, Daddy's gonna help.